Adding a new indicator in TradingView is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your TradingView account and navigate to the chart where you want to add the indicator. First, click on the Indicators button located at the top of the chart. This will open a pop-up window with a list of available indicators. If the indicator you want to add is already listed, simply click on it and it will be added to your chart. However, if the indicator you want to add is not listed, you can search for it in the search bar at the top of the pop-up window. Type in the name of the indicator and press Enter. If the indicator is available, it will be displayed in the search results. If the indicator is not available in the list, you can create your own custom indicator using the Pine script programming language. To do this, click on the Pine Editor button at the bottom of the chart. This will open the Pine Editor where you can write your own script to create a custom indicator. Once you have created your custom indicator, you can add it to your chart by clicking on the Add to Chart button. You can also share your custom indicator with the TradingView community by clicking on the Publish button. When adding a new indicator to your chart, it is essential to configure the settings to suit your trading strategy. Each indicator has its own set of parameters that can be adjusted, such as the length of the moving average or the sensitivity of the RSI. You can access the settings of an indicator by clicking on the gear icon next to the indicator name on the chart. From here, you can adjust the parameters to suit your needs and also change the appearance of the indicator, such as the color and style of the lines. In conclusion, adding a new indicator in TradingView is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and configuring the settings to suit your trading strategy, you can use indicators to gain valuable insights and make more informed trading decisions.